Hey guys, welcome back to my car. I've just delivered a load of, well, 2 loads of firewood to new client. In the last video I started doing the leaflets. I've turned up back to CMO because I got a phone call just as I was starting it I'm needed for a more urgent job. So we need to head back home because it is a car related thing. I'm going to start building the car and hopefully pay the bill as well, so then we can get the rest of the jobs rolled in, and then that way I can nick the van and the gift for you. Alright guys, clear from here, so we're going to go back to base.
Vuotta täytin. Isä poltti puisen veturin. Se saunapesän tuhkattiin. Ei ollut aika kyyneliin. Isä sanoi kestää se kuin mies. Ja vaikkei juuret yllää pohjaan, ne kiinni jää tähän maaroltaiseen. Eikä kukaan toinen mua ohjaa. Itse pääni lyön kiven harmaaseen. Veli palas armeijasta.
Why can't I now find the handbrake? There we go. Parking brake. Come on, we're getting there guys. Yeah, this is part 2 to a money making week. Hopefully. Certainly yesterday was. What? I swear yesterday I had a bell. I swear. Anyway. Since we're home, we might as well make some kill you, and we'll sell that. What I think we'll do, what's the time? Yeah, we've got the time. I'll run over to Timo real quick with the boat.
Ei saatana. Helvetti. No mitä helvettiä? Vittujen jumalauta. Voi vittujen kevää. Helvetti. Vittujen vittu. Voi vittu. Jumalauta. Ei saatana. Jumalauta. Voi saatana.
What I might do is end up having to overnight at the island.
Tänään meillä on erikoistarjous kaljaa. Kun ostaa yhden kaljan, niin saa ostaa seuraava samaa.
Säkin kotiin. Voi vittujen kevää antaa nää.
Okay, right, this is my other little hidey hole, as I called it. It's got a little sofa, and we can watch the world go by. Pretty much. There isn't really a huge amount here. There we go. So yes, very open plan, I will say.
Vittu, ei saatana. Voi saatana. Vittu.
I've deliberately left the boat running all night because I need to keep it running all night because it's a right pain to start up. But also I need to burn all the diesel in it dry so I can refuel it with newer two-stroke fuel. At night. I said bedtime.
Vittujen vittu. Voi vittu, vittujen kevät.
Right, it's Wednesday morning, guys. Today, what is on the agenda? Well, there's quite a bit, actually. Let's have my annual morning run while emptying my bladder. Wrong button.
Vitun torppi.
Wrong button again.
Helvettiä. Tuo.
3. So here's a save point, and most of them look like these. Obviously, you can save the bathroom at home as well. But if you're up in the main town, you sleep there, then that's your nearest. Sit down. I can't actually physically see what the clock is. Same. I'm trying to see what the time is, but it's slightly awkward. To see it. I reckon maybe 8 or 9. AM. You know what, I won't far out. 8:20.
Voi vittu. Voi saatana. Voi vittu.
Yeah, team I said apparently I saw some fuel. I took some fuel by mistake, but because I had to do a wood job quite urgently, but then I was going to come back anyway today and pay for some other bits as well. Yeah, the other thing, guys, is thank you for everyone who's recently subscribed to my channel. This is sort of in plans for my channel. This is what I want to do if I get monetized. But the only way I can do it is if you guys can subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, like, comment, and as well. Is I want to, if I get monetized, I'll get Epidemic Sound, which will allow me to use a lot more music in my videos, which would mean I'll be able to do different musics rather than just the copyright free stuff, which, well, with the exception of Tony's music.
Vittujen vittu. No helvetti. Vittujen vittu. Vittu.
I'll leave it on a slightly higher rev gauge now. I've got what I think, dude. Moving it in gear, I'm moving it in neutral but on a high rev, so then I can burn it the rest of the diesel. How close to the island will we get before we get plain? It's quite a trek out. We're in the middle between the island now and the
Oi
mainland.
saatana. Mitä helvettiä?
Hopefully, either later on this evening or tomorrow, I'll be able to see if I can get my pedals working for Euro Trick again. If so, we'll go and fight in the car for a bit, but I'm hoping that I can send this for a bit. We did that exercise on the morning.
Perkele.
Oh guys, before I forget, let me know in the comment section below how you guys found out about my channel.
Jumalauta.
I know some of you guys found me through a few of my friends. I know certainly a lot of my friends found me because I said that I started about my YouTube. Will found me. Well, I found Will through his channel when I was looking for another channel altogether. And I think it's in Fifth Wheel. I'll leave cards to their channels above my head somewhere, probably around here. These things are so cool. Right. Blind Dad, they're all over the island as well.
Vittujen vittujen kevää.
Yeah, on the first episode of the series, I did a warning for an 18 plus. That is for the whole series. Which is why most of my videos aren't made for kids anyway.
Mitä helvettiä? Saatana.
Because a lot of them are quite stressful jobs and stuff. I mean, I started my Euro truck driving ATS2 driving career about 5 years ago. I've only been doing YouTube for 4, and
Päivänä, mitä sinulla?
4 years might not sound like a long time. That's it.
Voi, tuos mä en oo pillaan tuo maijokua. No niin, katsi sitä tämän kertaisesta.
Because 4 years isn't a lot. And for 3 of the years, I've been away in the summer. And I've never been into vlogging until I can hear the bus. Until recently. I mean, I don't mind doing the vlogs.
Voi vittujen kevää.
I honestly don't have an issue showing my face.
Voi saatana. Helvetti.
But it all depends on the content I'm making. In about 4 weeks, when I'm back on doing the UK work, and I'm slightly more local, I can't film for 2 weeks because I'm on ADR work, or in other words, I'm hauling incredibly dangerous goods, and the last thing I need to worry about is filming. And I'm not talking maybe a couple of fireworks here and there. I'm talking 20 tons of acid, contaminated materials, stuff like that. So it is really dangerous goods I'll have on the back. And some of the places I'm delivering to, I've never delivered to in my career.
Saatana. Saatana.
There's still quite a bit in there of fuel, I didn't quite realise.
Vittujen kevää.
I did it for another swim. Don't forget guys, I do have Instagram, I don't use it very often though.
Voi vittujen kevää. Voi vittujen kevää. Herkele. Jumalauta.
I will do lives occasionally on there. I might do one later. Actually, I think that was it. I'm hoping that this is a bit of a shorter series than a lot of the trucking vlogs, but from what I can make out, it sounds like my truck that I've got, the Volvo, is rather poorly as well, because it started blowing up on route from Utah. Lost it again. That's right here. Right here. So this is faster than actually filling up the track. Guys, I'll talk to you guys when we get back home. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, sorry, I'm completely off topic. I found out earlier today that in Bristol there was some sort of explosion. Hopefully people down there are all okay. Sounds like the water's been quite nasty. So yeah, hopefully everyone's okay down there. That's Bristol, UK, by the way. Not any of the Bristols that I know of. I've completely lost. Hang on, June. I see it. I never know. Unless I just lost, because yeah, I managed to. I disappeared for a sec. We're not being mad at me for buying another 2-stroke fuel, but I'm leaving it on the boat. So I can make one for the boat and one for the bike, which is in the garage. So then if I run out of fuel while I'm on a journey, which I shouldn't do, because I tend to make sure I'm full before I get off, then I've got some spare fuel. But I just need to remember I need to buy 2 or 3 at a time. Of course I've got 2 mouses as well. I've decided that I don't want to work today. So this morning when I got up I was like, do I have to get out of bed? Oh, that sound just makes me need to talk about.
Ei saatana, tänä vittujen vittu.
Shipping jerrycans over and fueled them. Whoa!
Jumalauta! Helvetti!
So the plan is the rest of this week. Now it's not going to be a money making week. What I think I'll do is, I thought this week I could make quite a bit of money. We've made 3,200, which is quite a substantial amount, which will see us through 2 weeks. We've got fish in the island, which I'll retrieve at some point, and grill then if I spend a weekend over there.
Jumalauta! Ei vittujen
The main
kevää!
aim for today is to build the car.